Hello everyone, welcome to another music theory tutorial video. So today we would look at the properties of sharp keys. We're talking about major scales exclusively for now. Hopefully you checked out the last video in which I worked out all the major keys in sharp keys, okay, for now. So one property of sharp keys is they go in fifths. By that I mean, for example, if we start with C major, which has 0 sharps, and if you count up a fifth from C, C, D, E, F, G, you'll get a G, right? And let's pretend that G is our starting note. From the last video, we know that we have an F sharp, right? And we increase the number of sharps by 1. And if we repeat the pattern here, the formula here, let's go up a fifth from G. G, A, B, C, D. And by now you should be able to figure out, for D major, you should have F sharp and C sharp. And check this out too. The sharps go in fifths as well. So F sharp to C sharp is a perfect fifth again. So remember, for sharp keys, they go in fifths. And that way you can generate the next key relatively easily with this formula. And we have 2 sharps here. Let's do 2 more. D, E, F, G, A. That's our fifth above D. We should have 3 sharps. And in this case, we will have F sharp, C sharp, C, D, E, F, G sharp. All right. So for the sharps, you will see a pattern. The F sharp is almost always there for sharp keys, starting with G major. Okay, and they would just accumulate there, and each time you will add a fifth above the last sharp. Okay, so F sharp, and then F sharp C sharp, and then F sharp C sharp G sharp. Let's do one more. We have E, 4 sharps. So I'm just copying the first 3. All I have to do is figure out the last one. D sharp, G, A, B, C, D, right? So that's a fifth above the G sharp. So that's some properties. So you still have E, F, G, A, B, B, C, D, E, F sharp. I will leave up C sharp. So I think you should be able to work out the last 2. All right. So let's quickly take a look at another way of looking at it, or a shortcut. Okay, for example, if you're trying to determine the sharps for a particular key, say G major, again we're talking about sharp keys, major keys exclusively for now. For example, G major, another way you can do it is find the leading tone first, which is another way to name the major 7th degree in a major scale. So that would be an F sharp. All right. The second step would be start counting in fifths, starting with F sharp all the way up to the leading tone. So since we're already at the leading tone, and F sharp is our starting key, that's the only sharp that we will find in G major, and that's our answer there. There's only 1 sharp in G major. All right, let's do another one. Let's do E. Okay, so what's the leading tone? So if I count backwards half step, that should be our D sharp, right? Okay, and then let's count in fifths, starting with F sharp, F, G, A, B, C sharp, C, D, E, F, G sharp, G, A, B, C, D sharp. Okay, so we're good. 4 sharps. Let's just do one more here, down here. Okay, let's do B major. All right. Okay, B major. So what's the leading tone of B major? So B count backwards half a step, so that should be A sharp, right? Starting with F sharp, let's go up in fifths. F, G, A, B, C sharp, C, D, E, F, G sharp, G, A, B, C, D sharp, D, E, F, G, A sharp. So 5 sharps here, so I can put it down here, 5 sharps. and F, C, G, D, A sharp. All right, so I'm going to leave that to you. So that's it. That's some properties for sharp keys. All right, so hopefully it makes sense, and the method here should help you find on sharps relatively easily and more quickly. Okay, so that's it. See you in the next one.